Lombok.
Let's see the guy.
Oh yeah. How's that?
So today we go to Lombok.
Kite.
Lombok Island is an island in the Lesser Sunda Island or Nusa Tenggara, which is separated by Lombok Strait from Bali to the west and the Alas Strait to the east from Sumbawa. This is actually my third time to go to Lombok though, and this beach called Kuta Mandalika Beach. So basically on the first day we didn't see much, just airport, working at the airport and then hotel and just walk a little bit to this beach because it's not really far from the place we were staying. So in Kuta, we're staying at Co-work Hotel or used to be called Dream Hotel. And turns out I was staying here on my first time in Lombok with my brother and my friend in 2011. So first stop, we after seeing these pictures, amazing pictures in the Google and the internet, we decided to visit this Sumur cave in Lombok. It's also called Bat Cave, with a beautiful light that penetrates to the inside of the cave in the picture in the internet. This Sumur cave is located not far from the main road in the Mandalika Wujud district, central of Lombok.
Yeah.
When we arrived, we didn't exactly go to the cave directly because the sun wasn't really good. So we decided to wait a little bit until, let's see, maybe if the sun is really bright. So maybe we can get the pictures just like exactly in the internet. The mouth of the Sumur cave is at the top, so that to get inside we need to go down. Actually, this one's with like a metal ladder. Oh yeah, actually we saw some snakes just close to the mouth of the cave. And from here you can exactly see the bath flying around, sorry. And but the thing that you cannot see from here is actually what you will find in the surface of the cave.
That's why. Huh?
It's full of cockroaches. everywhere. Million, maybe billion of them. So disgusting.
Ular? Ada lagi. Wait, I cannot see. Snake. Another snake. Oh wow, yeah.
Ini. Dalam. Besar itu. Yang itu.
Oh, that's huge one.
What is that?
Snake. Snake.
Oh, ada dua kayaknya.
Two.
Oh ya dua. Besar itu.
So inside the Sumur cave, it turns out there is a habitat, a bat habitat. This is also what it makes known as the bat cave. Regarding the aroma inside, of course it is so strong with the typical smell of bat. And yeah, we couldn't get the lights just like exactly we saw in the internet, but it was okay. I mean, like, it's nice, but things that really scary is because there are plenty of snakes and the ceiling and the wall and the mouth of the cave, and also the cockroaches just on the floor of the cave floor. As we can see, actually the cave is not just that, but we can also go to that area, but seems like it's so dark and no equipment and no lights, and the guide actually didn't want us to go there, and he didn't want to go there either. It's because it's kinda creepy, and because it's dark, and also there are some snakes too. And when we did like this, and I zoom in at the camera, you can see the snake was crawling around, maybe trying to get some snacks. See? You see that over there?
Itu.
Yeah.
Kayak semut. Oh, huge.
Yeah. It is huge. Berapa meter di sini, Bang?
Dalam sekitar 300-an.
Iya, ya. You know, just make sure, maybe because it was kind of rainy season, and the ground was a little bit wet, and also the bad shit. That's why there are a lot of cockroaches. No flying cockroaches, but still disgusting though. That is one of the snake that we saw in the mouth of the cave before we went in. And this is also another one. So it's creepy, right?